Remote Start allows you to start your 2019-2022 Chevy Silverado from a distance using the key fob. First, ensure your truck is compatible. Most LT, LTZ, and higher trims have it. To use it, exit your truck and press the lock button on the key fob. Then, press and hold the Remote Start button, circular arrow icon, for about 4 seconds. The parking lights will flash and the engine will start. The engine will run for 10 to 15 minutes. You can extend it once by repeating the last step. Never use Remote Start in enclosed spaces to avoid carbon monoxide. If Remote Start doesn't work, check these common issues. Are all doors locked, hood closed, and fuel tank above a quarter full? Extreme cold can also impact battery performance and prevent Remote Start. Post-2023 updates, reliability is high, but some issues persist. If problems continue, consult a Chevrolet dealer, especially after the Enhitsa recall 22V377 addressed software glitches. For optimal security, always keep your My Chevrolet app updated and consider two-factor authentication. Note that ongoing functionality may rely on a valid OnStar subscription.